Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Engineer Muhammad Shafat with you, Quality Director, Abduls Bureau Construction QAQC Quality Academy. In today's video, we will discuss about Certified QAQC Inspector CQI Electrical and Certified QAQC Engineer CQE Electrical, its roles and responsibilities in construction, industrial, and infrastructure projects. Let's start our today's video. What is quality assurance and quality control QAQC in electrical? QAQC in electrical ensures that all work is carried out as per approved drawings and specifications. It includes inspection, testing, and proper documentation. In major projects, all these activities are controlled through a site quality plan based on ISO 9001 and client requirements. Scope of electrical quality assurance and quality control. The certified QAQC engineer electrical CQE professionals are involved in all major electrical installation activities such as cable, panels, and earthing systems, etc. These activities are part of control construction processes defined in project quality plan. Certified QAQC inspector electrical CQI. The certified QAQC inspector CQI electrical works mainly on site. He performs inspection and testing activities and ensure that the installation meets project requirements. Inspection is carried out as per approved procedures and inspection test plans. Next is Certified QAQC Engineer Electrical CQE. The Certified QAQC Engineer Electrical CQE controls the quality system. He reviews documents, ensures inspections are properly planned, and manage non-conformances. He ensures that all work complies with project quality requirements. Inspection and testing control. Inspection is carried out through RFI WIR IR system, where approval is required before proceeding. Hold and witness points ensure strict quality control requirement as per risk level of activity. Testing is completed before system handover, and all record must be properly maintained. Without documentation, work is not considered complete. Next is electrical testing. Electrical QAQC includes multiple tests before energization. IR test checks insulation quality. Continuity and polarity ensures correct connections. Earth resistance ensures safe grounding. Phase sequence is critical for motor rotation. For high voltage systems, high port testing is performed. Finally, functional testing confirms system readiness. Applicable standards. Certified QAQC engineer CQE electrical requires knowledge of international codes and standards. These include ANSI, IEEE, IEC, NFPA, API, PR, NEMA, SBC, SASO, UL, AST, MNAS, IESNA, etc. Applied in installation, inspection, testing, and commissioning. Electrical pre-commissioning and commissioning. Commissioning is the final stage before system operations. Pre-commissionings include all testing like IR and continuity. Loop checking ensures proper signal and control connections. Functional testing verifies system performance. Only after approval the system is energized. Common electrical quality assurance and quality control issues. In real projects, many issues occur in electrical installations. Improper cable termination can lead to a overheating and failure. Loose connections are one of the most common causes of faults. Poor earthing affects safety and system performance. Damaged insulation can cause short circuits. An incorrect phase sequence can damage motors. Missing tagging and identification create confusion during operation and maintenance. Certified QAQC engineer CQE electrical ensures that all these issues are identified and controlled before system handover. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends. See you soon in upcoming video of Certified QAQC Inspector and Certified QAQC Engineer CQE with new discipline. Abduls Bro Construction QAQC Quality Academy offers discipline-wise certification programs including Certified QAQC Inspector CQI and Certified QAQC Engineer CQE in civil, architectural, mechanical, electrical, telecom, etc., and general disciplines as well. We also offer Certified QAQC Manager CQM. These programs are delivered by Abduls Private Limited as an authorized training center of ABA Certifications USA. Join our live training sessions and learn from industry experts with 20 plus years of experience. For more detail, you may visit our website or contact us through WhatsApp number. See you soon in upcoming video.